Hello everyone, and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how to set VLC as the default media player in Windows 11. And now, let's get started. To begin, right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Apps tab located on the left-hand side. In the right pane, select Default Apps. Now scroll down the list until you find VLC. Click on VLC. You will then see an option to change it as the default app for another process. Click on this option and select VLC again. Finally, click on Set Default. This process will establish VLC as the default application for specific video file types. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.